Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to see the members in a Telegram channel. If you want to check who has joined a channel or view the member list, we will guide you through how to find this information easily. Let's get started. On your Telegram dashboard, go ahead and open the channel you want to check. Let's use this channel as an example, the StarLadder Dota channel. As you can see, this channel has 1,538 subscribers. Now, if you want to view the member list, you just need to click here. Keep in mind that only admins can see the full member details. Regular users can only see the total number of subscribers, but we cannot see who the individual members are or access their details. To view that information, we need to be an admin of the channel. If we have created a channel and we are the admin, we can see the full member list. But in this case, we are just a regular member, so we cannot access that information. Now you know how to view members in a Telegram channel. Just keep in mind that some channels may limit what you can see, depending on their privacy settings.